In this video, we'll talk about how you can take regular store-bought ice cream and actually turn it into your own freeze-dried ice cream, so stick around. Hey YouTube, welcome to City Prepping, where we discuss emergency preparedness and self-sustainability. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. One of the things that I've always wanted to do is learn how to take regular store-bought ice cream and turn it into freeze-dried ice cream. Now, obviously for this process, you're gonna need a freeze dryer machine, which I'll discuss in a moment. But in the video, what we'll do is I'll take you step by step, explain the different items that you're gonna want in order to prepare the ice cream, actually freeze dry it, and then once you freeze dry it, take it out and actually have Mylar bags or other items to store this in. So what I'll do is I'll take you from beginning to end. So let's jump in.